spine, reach into your chest. Inhale, belly draws hard lips. And exhale, round through the spine. Keep. As you exhale, thread the left arm underneath your right arm to the ground. Right cheek. Reach your left arm forward. And breathe the stretch. Deep. Bend one knee at a time. Feel your entire spine elongating. Feel stretch the hamstrings. Because we're lucky at the front of the back. My pleasure. Resolve your inhale, stretch the spine. And exhale, exhale, throughout the neck, it's easy to reach. Inhale, back to your side. Exhale, slide. Inhale, step up. As you inhale, the chest increases, releasing tension in the neck. Shoulders relaxed and spine is tall. Switch directions 3 circles. Hands down, heart center. Neck is like overhead. Namaste.
Good morning, everyone. Today is May 20, 2024. I know it's been, I don't know, like 2 months since I last uploaded, and I'm so sorry about that. Yeah. Actually, I am a bit gutom, so I'm gonna eat butche na ginawa ni Mama, and I will make coffee. And then here we have Pinky. Hindi, pero console pa. And my coffee. So guys, how have you been? One of the reason na hindi na ako nakapag-upload dito sa channel na to is because gumagawa ako ng mga short form contents sa social media, and I find it really hard na mag-ano ako ng vlog tapos ano rin ako ng short form contents like reels, gano'n. And so, ayun, mas inuna ko yung mga reels and everything. But now, I'm back dito sa long form content, which is vlogging. Yeah, and then I'm still learning stenography. I'm still learning Japanese. Nitong April, guys, I don't know why I did not vlog, but I did take a lot of pictures. Halos andun ako sa labas, guys, ng bahay. It's because palagi akong nag-hangout sa mga friends ko, o di kaya ako lang mag-isa outside, nagka-coffee. It's been nice. Yeah, I just had a lot of realizations lang nung nag-graduate ako. I lost structure talaga, guys. Like, I was so lost and confused. I think I was in a depressive slump. I don't know, kasi ano ng mga symptoms, like hindi ako, I would go on for days na hindi ako mag-wash up or mag-toothbrush. Palagi lang ako nasa phone, nagsuscroll ng mga reels and everything. And wala akong tulog. Like, ang dami kong time pero wala akong tulog. Like, I'm so glad na nag-change ako ng habit, nag-change ako ng view, and yeah, I don't wanna go back sa slump na yon because it was horrible. Yeah, I just wish na binlog ko yon kasi magandang memories yon, but I'm just taking my time para breakfast. Okay. Pupunta nga pala kami sa school ng kapatid ko, si Mimel, because magpapasnack si mama doon sa mga faculty. Sa faculty, staff. Wala na ako nito, guys. Squeeze. Nagbe-breakout kasi ako ngayon, guys. Ang dami kong ano. Oh, guys. Sobrang thin niya. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just gonna So, magluluto pa ako ng sauce, guys. I'll see you later. Outfit. Hi! It's a lot later. It's like malapit na mag 1 p.m. and nandito ako sa kwarto. As you can see, it's very, very messy. So, itong part na to, lahat ng mga bagay na nandito. Okay, so, I don't know if you can remember, but, as nandito ang switch, di ba meron dyang, basta may damitan dyan. And, ngayon wala na because tinanggal na. So, it's a very big space na. Ito guys, sinimentohan kasi nag-crack talaga yun guys because of the earthquake. And then, matagal na kasi itong bahay na to guys. So, yeah. Kaya, ganyan siya. I'm gonna clean a bit. Okay, so first, I will change the bedsheet kasi inihian yung red. So, yeah.